Hello guys, welcome to Roblox here, and today we're gonna play, what's this game called? Oh yeah, today we're gonna play Aeroplane War Classic. Most of the Roblox players didn't know this, and also the Genesis players, Brainrot players. Let me tell this game about. This game is about destroying planes and winning the war. So yeah, so I have a trick to destroy this plane, and yeah, how to destroy this plane. So first we have to do like this and do like and run out of the hill, and then just throw the bomb. Maybe it can work. See, this is how to destroy a plane. This is a tutorial, not a gaming. I'm gonna not play this game. This is only a tutorial. But most of the players don't know about the rocket ship. So I'm gonna tell you also how to fly this rocket ship. I'm sorry, I'm shuddering because I'm sick. Yeah, I'm sick. Not kind of a sick, I have a fever. So yeah, first off we have to go up. It's gonna be a long time. Come on. Guys, no, I'm gonna fall down in any sec. Oh, okay. Okay, first you have to play this. First you have to press this button, and now the rocket will fly in any moment. So yeah, guys, please subscribe because I have a lot of work. Like it's vacation, but still I have so many tuitions. I have to go dance class, then drums class, then my tuition class to study. Then I have to do my holiday homeworks. There are a lot of homework. There are a lot of work. So yeah, I get this. I get some free time in night, so I can make videos. I can make videos for you. Okay, so let me explain about this ship. There are three engines. No, two engines. That's it. This is the booster. First one is the booster. You can see there. And booster is wrong. Now engine one is start. This is a realistic. This is a realistic rocket, and it demonstrates how rockets work. And this is the engine one. Now it's flying, but we cannot go to moon. We're gonna just fly away from our map. That's it. And let me. Oh, now it's engine two. So while this rocket flies, let me tell you about this. This is a rocket. This is a sword. This is a bomb, and this is a Bob the Builder. We can build stuff, and this is a grappling hook, and we can switch teams. And there's tools, and there's money, and there's games. More games about this. There are zombie apocalypse and base attack and 99 nights, and that's it. And please like and subscribe. Now Engine 2 is done. Now let me tell you something. We cannot we're gonna not go to space or something. We're gonna just fly. That's it. That's the plan do. I want to go out. Shoot. Guys, go, come. Guys, I'm stuck. Oh, come on. Okay, guys, like and subscribe. Bye.